Belief. The statement of the Prophet, Islam is based on 5 principles. Hadith 8. Ibn Umar narrated that Allah's Messenger said, Islam is based on the following 5 principles. 1. To testify that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah and Muhammad, who is Allah's Messenger. 2. To offer the compulsory congregational prayers dutifully and perfectly. 3. To pay zakat, i obligatory charity. 4. To perform hajj, i pilgrimage to Mecca. 5. To observe fast during the month of Ramadan. Chapter regarding the deeds of faith. Hadith 9. Abu Huraira narrated that the Prophet said, faith belief consists of more than 60 branches, parts. And haya, this term, haya, covers a large number of concepts which are to be taken together. Amongst them are self-respect, modesty, bashfulness, and scruple, etc. is a part of faith. Chapter. A Muslim is the one who avoids harming Muslims with his tongue and hands. Hadith 10. Abdullah bin Omar narrated that the Prophet said, a Muslim is the one who avoids harming Muslims with his tongue and hands. And a muhajir emigrant is the one who gives up, abandons all what Allah has forbidden. Chapter. Whose Islam is the best, or who is the best Muslim? Hadith 11. Abu Musa narrated that some people asked Allah's Messenger, whose Islam is the best? That is, who is a very good Muslim? He replied, one who avoids harming the Muslims with his tongue and hands. Chapter. To feed others is a part of Islam. Hadith 12. Abdullah bin Amr narrated that a man asked the Prophet, what sort of deeds or what qualities of Islam are good? The Prophet replied, to feed the poor and greet those whom you know and those whom you do not know. Chapter. To like for one's Muslim brother what one likes for himself is a part of faith. Hadith 13. Anas narrated that the Prophet said, none of you will have faith till he wishes for his Muslim brother what he likes for himself. Chapter. To love the Messenger. Muhammad is a part of faith. Hadith 14. Abu Huraira narrated that Allah's Messenger said, by him in whose hands my life is, none of you will have faith till he loves me more than his father and his children.